know, that was kind of nutty, but I had to give it. I want to see if I could stretch it out. What's happening, A1? Welcome to the Ridey Boo channel. This is B, your host. Welcome back. I'm out here on the Stealth Bomber clone. Downhill bomber. Clone. What have you. Out here doing a night ride. I haven't done a night ride in a minute. Trying to get these GoPro settings right. Trying to give y'all some cinematic viewing. Checking out this headlight on the Stealth Bomber. See what it is. Pretty bright. It's got a blue film on it, but it's pretty bright overall. I ain't tear the blue film off yet. Watch me catch this light! Ah! Unprecedented power on an e-bike. This is ridiculous, like, you know what I mean? I'm not even riding it like how I could. I'm hitting it when, you know, I get on it when I need to, and even when I don't sometimes. Just to get that jerk. Like I got Hicks field power in the e-bike. It's unprecedented. This is crazy. I know they got more powerful e-bikes, but man, even now it says I'm doing 20 something. That's not 20 something. Well, y'all could tell it ain't 20 something. I gotta change. Well, I got backlights. I got a couple options on the back lights. These lights are just on here because I just bought them because you know, of course that everyone that bought all this other stuff bought these lights, so I bought them, but I really don't like them. Woo. This is ridiculous.
I was at Tucko and they was replacing, you know.
How's it going?
How are you?
This thing is great. I've been riding all day today, basically around 4 square miles, and it's on 89% battery. Is that ridiculous or what? No range anxiety. They're saying I should be able to get about 70 miles maybe? With the settings I got on here, the battery and everything else. Man, where my jacket at? Pull over here for a sec, zip my jacket up. Now here, so got my headlight on. Headlight is pretty bright, but yeah, it's ridiculous. I've been riding all day and I'm at 89% and I was getting on it like I'm crazy, but I've been getting on it and I'm still at 89%. Wow, no range anxieties here. The turning radius is not that great. You gotta kind of lean, but the leaning capability is pretty decent. Still getting used to this bike, y'all. Many people here. There's too many people here. Everybody drives different everywhere they come from, and it's like, yo, this is crazy. Look at this. You're taking up my At least they had the nerve, the sense to move, but damn. Ooh, look at that swoop, y'all. This feels crazy right here, going across this graded bridge. They saying I'm doing 21, there's no way. I'm gonna turn back waves on. My battery's kind of dying. I hate the switch. This light kit is, but I got another well, I'm gonna get a hand motorcycle, one of those motorcycle switches. Kind of like those. Damn. Let's look at compare speeds. Whoa! This time, it takes a while for the what you call it to jerk up there, man. Get caught on them creases. I can't really see the I can't really see what waves are saying. So tiny. Ooh, that felt crazy right there. Went up over that lump, that speed hump. Oh gosh. Down to 81%. Okay. I want to see if I could pick up the speed on this thing coming back up the hill. Alright. Still on a night ride. Got a real treat for y'all. There we go. It said 40 something, but I know I was doing closer to 60. Yo. I know that was kind of nutty, but I had to give it. I want to see if I could stretch it out. So much power, like, look at this jolt, yo. Damn. It's hard to lift this up. Quite like it want to leave me. Where am I? Whoa. Whoa, man. Yo. These dumbass people, man. But yeah, I'm messing around with this GoPro, the settings on the GoPro. Trying to see where we at with it. See if I can get some cinematic footage for y'all. Messing with the ISO and everything.